Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so Bitcoin, changing the chart here. So if I zoom in a little bit, we can see that still not sure if this fourth correction movement is ended or this was just the A, B, C for the wave A. This was the B, and now we are ongoing on this C wave. Now if I zoom in a little bit more, we can see that ideal target 95,263 or somewhere near there. Very possible we go and hit the 94,322. That's the 0.382 fib retracement. And so this today and tomorrow it will be interesting to see if we're actually doing this C wave or if we are working already on this fifth wave to the white count. Next target, well, this is a little bit shallow target, this $100,000 psychological cap, but the following fib extension is going to be the 2x 103,875. So let's see if we could get to those levels. Now another thing interesting we could do is okay, let me check here. Yeah, actually this could be possibly already a 1-2, and then we could work for this this 5-way up for this final leg of this fifth wave. So this could be, yeah, already, I mean that's crazy, but this could be already an A, B, C for the wave 1, and this wave 2 could almost do the count here. Wave 1, wave 2, ideally stop to 0.618, and then 3, 4, and 5. So I'm just checking here. Now that's the extension. So let me just be sure if I can, if it's the same level or not. Not quite. So yeah, I think that blue was okay. And so now you can see this start to be a little bit messy, this chart. And yeah, really not easy to read. Maybe I can read, can take out the 0.618 and possibly even add the 0.5. Okay, so this is a possible count now. This is the 1, 2, and eventually we are going to work on a third wave, a fourth, and a fifth. That could bring us to yeah, $103, $104, and that's going to complete the fifth wave, and that's going to complete the bigger third wave. Well, actually the fifth wave here also, which is complete the third wave, the yellow one. And after that, you know, we need to prepare psychologically to have a bigger dump here. When I say dump, it's more prepare to have psychologically the chance to accumulate more Bitcoin at, yeah, pretty much $10,000 rebate. You know, maybe it's going to coincide with the Black Friday, who knows. All right, so this is for Bitcoin. So as you can see, I did the fib extension and 1-to-1 ratio 95,263. Let's see if we go there, and then 0.786, 96,000 could be one fib that we could see price reacting, but we did reacted pretty much here on a way down. So let's see how it goes with that. Also, I wanted to cover Avalanche. Avalanche, it did work very hard this night, and you can see that, I'm not sure if it's the good chart, maybe it's the other one. Yeah, so you can see that it did work very well. I would say now this third wave is finished. We already work on the fourth wave. It's been a while, didn't work on this chart. And I'm counting this as an A, B, C for the wave A. This is the B, this was the C. So fourth wave completed. You can see also 1-to-1 ratio. Wave A to wave C, we did reach the 1-to-1 ratio. We had 2 candles resistance there. Actually was support, and now we're flying up. Now I'm doing so many charts. Is this doing a diagonal? Yes, I see ABC. Very well, very good, very good. Okay, so I'll say, okay, so now this is the question now. It starts to be crazy. Okay, so this is 1, 2. This is the 3. This is the 4. So we're looking for this 5th wave here. As you can see, I do have an alarm already. And if I do some micro counting of this wave, can I say that actually this was the 1, this is the 2, we did the 3, currently doing the 4, and eventually doing the 5. And I think I'm going to take some profits here now. I need to check where are we with the counts wave now. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so that this is a 5th wave here. Yeah, and there was this debate that this could be just an ABC. And so this was a bigger wave 1 in yellow, wave 2 in yellow, and we're doing this 3rd wave. So yeah, it's been a while, didn't cover this little fellow here. And so yeah, is it doing diagonal or not? Let me check here. Yes, it was doing a diagonal ABC for the wave 1. Now this, I still need to consider if, I think I already mentioned that, if I consider that a 1, 2, and this another 1, 2, or I consider this is the A, B, C for the wave 1, and this is wave 2, so it doesn't really matter for a moment, but eventually. And so now the price is reaching, it's very nice. If we're lucky, we're going to get to the 2.236 at $50. Yeah, so this is going to conclude our 3rd wave. And after that, we're going to do a bigger pullback for this 4th wave. I think this guy I can remove for the moment. We went so much higher. Let me put it on the side. You know what? Let me. We will do that another time. I even have a 5 here. That's the other. It was the alternative count. I'm going to leave it there for a moment. Okay, so I just want to work out now on this micro counting for this leg here. Can we get to the $50? Okay, so I said 1, 2, and I mean this is really the bull market euphoria, because usually I'm not that crazy with micro counting, but so we would have reached just the bare minimum, I would say. Okay, so that's good. And so let's see now the target for this 3rd wave. So from the beginning of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 2, you can see that we are going way higher. Very nice. I think I can put the 2. Okay, so we did reach the 2x. So now let's go and estimate maybe 15 minutes. We're going to have a little bit more details. It's going to be easier to do the fib retracement. And let's go. Beginning of the 3rd wave. Okay, so you can see that we are there. Very nice. Now I did tell you I'm having also, well, I do have spots, so that's very nice, and it's responding very well now finally, and I'm expecting now a price reaction at this level, and I would count this as a 4th wave done. Once again, yeah, I'm not. Can we count this as maybe a B, C again? And here it's like, this is how it starts to be crazy. That's like micro A, B, C also. So that entitle us to give a little bit more room for this correction, so it can go much deeper. $42.87. Even though I'm not aiming that, you can see that honestly it goes down too fast. I would have loved if price would have done something like so. I think here should be the 0.2 retracement, go a little bit higher, and maybe finally hit this final target for the third wave, for the fourth wave, or possibly the fifth one. Now I'm scared that if it start to do that, it's going to really go to the edge of where is entitled or allowed to go for the fourth wave before invalidation. If it goes below, let me zoom in a little bit more, below this 0.618, $42.87, this is invalidation point, and it means it's well, this movement is done, and more likely this fifth wave in white ended here, and yeah, that's about it, huh? But still very, very, very happy with Avalanche. Is there something else I want to check? Well, there is ADA still looking good, still making this correction. Now, not very nice impulsive movement, like price a little bit overlapping, a little bit messy of structure for the moment. Wouldn't be impossible that this was just the A, this is the B, and we're going to do the C. Deeper one, once again, if we do that, it's going to be a little bit risky. And yeah, that's 15 minutes though. Let me go on the 1 hour. Let's, even though it doesn't change much, but yeah, so it's very, very nice price action for also for Cardano. Fetch is trying to survive. You know, we can see it's moving on the side, and if you continue like this, it looks like it's, you want to keep bumping into this level of resistance, 157. Eventually it's going to, if you continue like this, it's going to succeed. So that's also very, very good. Worst case scenario where this was a wave 2, or we're still doing this wave 2 correction, maybe this was the A, this is the B, and now we're going to do the C, possibly hitting the MA50, $1.35, and then we can go and push higher. And okay, I don't want to make it too long. Also very nice, Ethereum overnight it did a higher high, local higher high, so that's encouraging as well. So we can see that now, yeah, it's like Ethereum is waking up, so that's also very, very promising. Yeah, so just keep a track on the coins. Everybody's very, very happy for the moment. Let me go and check my margin spot. These are pretty much the margin spots I have, except Sand and Brett and Senate. All the rest and Injective. Those I don't have, but Fetch, Matic, Dot, ADA, Avalanche, I do have spot margin ongoing. Very happy with the results for the moment. And yeah, that's pretty much. So be careful, correction could come anytime. Yes, we're expecting another high for Bitcoin, or even better, more side movement for Bitcoin, which entitles altcoins to push higher. But you know, ideally, yes, Bitcoin a new higher high, 103, ideally 104, and after that maybe another side movement. Give a chance to the altcoins to push much higher, the most they can, and after that prepare for impact, for a bigger correction, 20, 25, 30% discount. I don't know, maybe it will all match on the same date of Black Friday or Black Friday weekend. So that's going to be a clearance day, weekend, time to do some shopping. So now it's very important to put sell stop limit, keep your profits so you can cash in, have some cash on the side, and if you see any good deal, you can jump on it. All right, so this is pretty much all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.